Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be comparing two popular air fryer ovens, the Ninja SP101 Air Fry Oven and the Instant Vortex Plus. We'll be evaluating these products based on various categories to help you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let's start with the price. The Ninja SP101 Air Fry Oven is priced at $219, while the Instant Vortex Plus is priced at $169. Both products offer great features, but if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, the Instant Vortex Plus might be the way to go. When it comes to versatility, both products offer a wide range of cooking options. The Ninja SP101 Air Fry Oven boasts an impressive 8-in-1 functionality, including air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, bagel, toast, dehydrate, and keep warm. On the other hand, the Instant Vortex Plus offers 6-in-1 functionality, which includes air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. So, if you're looking for the most versatile option, the Ninja SP101 takes the lead. Now let's talk about cooking performance. Both products excel in this aspect. The Ninja SP101 features digital crisp control technology, which allows for precise temperature, heat source, and airflow control. This ensures optimum cooking performance and delicious results. Similarly, the Instant Vortex Plus utilizes even crisp technology, which directs the airflow top-down for a perfect golden finish. So you can expect crispy and tender dishes from both of these air fryer ovens. When it comes to capacity, the Ninja SP101 has a 45% larger usable pan cooking area compared to the Instant Vortex Plus. It can easily fit a 13-inch pizza, up to 9 slices of toast, or 6 chicken breasts. So if you need to cook larger quantities or bigger food items, the Ninja SP101 offers a greater capacity. In terms of convenience, both products offer some handy features. The Ninja SP101 allows you to reclaim your counter space, as it takes up 50% less space when stored. It also includes a removable crumb tray and an easily accessible back panel for easy cleaning. Likewise, the Instant Vortex Plus features a clear cook window and internal light, allowing you to monitor cooking progress without opening the basket. It also has a non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray for easy cleanup. So both these products score well in the convenience department. Lastly, let's talk about some additional features. The Ninja SP101 comes with a toast darkness selector, allowing you to choose your desired toast doneness. It also includes a countertop oven, air fry basket, sheet pan, wire rack, and removable crumb tray. On the other hand, the Instant Vortex Plus offers one-touch smart programs for various dishes, including wings, roasted veggies, cookies, and more. It also boasts odor erase technology with built-in replaceable air filters to reduce lingering cooking smells. So, both products have their unique additional features. And that wraps up our comparison between the Ninja SP101 Air Fry Oven and the Instant Vortex Plus. Both products offer excellent features and performance, but it ultimately comes down to your specific needs and budget. Let us know in the comments which one you would choose. Don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.